Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got 90 Lacquer Stolen Grace and I'm going to use Maniology stickers. They're the butterflies. But I'm going to get this one started with IMK's Bio Base. I love this base. It looks so pretty. And here is 90's Stolen Grace. This is another goodie that Miss Becky sent me. So I'm going to go in with my first coat. Now I own a few 90 polishes and I don't remember like really having an issue, but this is one of those polishes that you got to be careful with because you can do that draggy, pokey, gougey thing with the polish. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but it's one of those that's kind of tricky formula-wise. So there's the first coat. I'm going to go in and do a second coat. It's a beautiful polish though. It's just such a nice frosty blue. I like it. I just wasn't crazy about the formula. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And you can see I've gouged that one just putting the top coat on up near the cuticle area. I did my middle fingernail as well the same way. So, you know, that's what I'm saying. It's one of those that if you don't lay that brush down just perfect, then it's going to be a problem. Hi Woody, how you doing? Woody's such a good helper. I don't know how I'd do manicures without him. Oh, and then I had to gouge it with Woody. Oh, and if you hear the thunder, I'm sorry. Here's my swatch photo. It's DP162 is the number for these stickers. This came in my Maniology box. And I'm just going to pull them up with the little tweezers. And these stickers are, oh my goodness, gorgeous. They are so pretty. They've got so much hollow. And I was really excited about doing these. Trying to make sure I'm getting it all flat. And I'm going to put, you know, a couple on. I'm going to do just accent nails today. My thumb. And I think I'm going to do my middle. Yeah, the middle and my ring fingernail. I'm going to leave a couple of nails just with the polish. But I'm going to try to keep them all pushed down. So I'm going around just pulling these stickers up. The very first one I tried to pick up just shot across the room and I lost it. I have no idea where it ended up. But I'm just taking my finger and smushing it flat the best I can. And I really did love these stickers. And I know stickers are kind of a, you know, you either love them or hate them. I love them. I think that they're, you know, a great way to add some beautiful detail to a manicure. You can just do one nail. You don't have to be crazy like me and go crazy. Okay, so I'm looking at that and thinking, okay, that's not enough. And I probably should have done 4 on my thumbnail. But with it being so stinking short, I don't know. I just didn't think it needed it until I was done. I could have put another one down there on that very other corner, catty corner to this one, and it'd have been fine. So on top of thundering outside, I've got Cotton back here on the bed doing his bed swimming. I'm going to top this one with that Revolution. This is a special top coat made for like foils and stuff because I was scared that they might crinkle. And then now that that's dry, I'm going to go in with my Poshe top coat and top this one off and make it glossy. Make it pretty. I love a glossy top coat, y'all. I do. See, I could have used one more right there. Alrighty, well, there's my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.